Good morning to class. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe at your homes. I hope you had enjoyed your holidays and also completed your winter assignment. So students, get ready for today's work. As you know, today is Monday, 11th January 2021. It's your maths period and today our topic is shapes. Students, open your countdown books. It's page number 153. First of all, you will write here classwork and short date, that is 11th January 2021. Our question is match the face with its name. Look at these shapes. Which shape is this? Is it circle? No, it's triangle. You have to match it with its name. It's triangle. Which shape is this? It is square. Match it with its name. It is circle and it is rectangle. Students, today we will learn about some solid figures. Different types of solid figures are cube, cuboid, cone, cylinder and sphere. Students, let us learn how many faces, edges and the vertices of a cube have. Its four sides all are equal. Now look at its corners. It is also called vertex. How many corners a cube have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and the last one is it's 8. So how many corners or vertex a cube have? It is 8. Cube have 8 vertices or corners. Now look at its edges. It is called vertex and corners. Now its edges. It's how many edges or sides a cube have? It's 12. 4 plus 4 plus 4, it's 12. 4 threes are 12. And how many faces a cube have? Look at its faces. It's 1, plus 1, plus 1, it's 4 sides and upward and downward sides, so it's 6 faces. So it means cube have 6 faces, 12 edges and 8 vertices. Now look at the examples of cube. It's ice cube, card box and a block. These all are examples of cube. Now look at these shapes. It is a cube. Its faces are squares and it is a cuboid. Its faces are rectangles. Look at its faces. It's a rectangle. Same like cube, cuboid also have 6 faces. Now look at this. We both have dash faces each. It's 6 faces. How many faces? 6 faces. Now look at the edges of cube and cuboid. It has 12 edges and cuboid also have 12 edges. So cube and cuboids have 6 faces and cube and cuboids have 12 edges each. Now look at the vertex of these two shapes. The plural of vertex is vertices and it is also called corners. And how many corners or vertices cube and cuboid have? It has 8 vertices each. Both cube and cuboids have 8 vertices each. Look at its vertices. Cube and cuboids have 8 vertices each. These both shapes are same in faces, vertices and edges. The difference between these two shapes are it has square faces and it has rectangle faces. And the faces and vertices and edges are remains same in both shapes. Both have 6 faces, 12 edges and 8 vertices. Students, now can you tell me some examples of cube and cuboids? It is a dice, a building block and a cube-shaped box. It is a cube. And examples of cuboids are a chalk box, a thick book and a pencil box. Now look at this shape. Which shape is this? It is a sphere. It is a curved face. It has only one curved face. Look at this shape. It has no edge and no vertex. Its examples are a ball, a marble and a globe. Now look at this. I have only dash face. How many faces? It's just one face. How many faces? It's just. So a sphere has only one curved face. It has 0 edge and 0 vertex. Students, look at the examples of cuboid. It is a bus, a tiffin box and a fish tank. These all are examples of cuboid. Students, look at the examples of a sphere, a basketball, an orange and a marble. These all are examples of a sphere. Students, now look at question number 2. Join each shape to its name from the list. Look at these shapes. You have to match it with its name. Which shape is this? It is a cuboid? No, it is a cube because its faces are square. It is a cuboid because its faces are rectangle. It is a cuboid. And which shape is this? It is a sphere. And which shape is this? It is a cone. And which shape is this? It is cylinder. You have to match it with its name. Students, now open your notebooks and maintain your pages the margin line on both sides of the page. After that, write classwork Monday, 11th January, 2021. Topic is shapes. First shape is cube. Which shape is this? It is a cube. It is a cube. It has 6 faces. It has 12 edges and it has 8 vertices. Its examples are a dice, a building block. Now our second shape is cuboid. It is a cuboid. It has 6 faces, it has 12 edges and it has 8 vertices. Its examples are a chalk box, a thick book and a pencil box. Next shape is sphere. It is a sphere. It has only one face, a curved face. It has 0 edge and it has 0 vertices. Its examples are a ball, a marble and a globe. So students, this is your today's work. You have to write these definitions on your notebooks and also learn it and also draw shapes. I hope you will understand it. Do your work and send me your feedback. Okay, take care. Allah Hafiz.